Welcome to the new Universal Hardware FlexPlate. In this short video, we will demonstrate how to replace a door closer using the patented FlexPlate. Inside the box, you will find one mounting plate and 4 sliders. Begin by removing your old closer from the door. Once removed, attach the FlexPlate loosely to the existing holes in your door. Using a combination of either 2 or 4 sliders and the provided hardware, FlexPlate can cover a wide variety of different hole pattern combinations. FlexPlate is compatible with nearly every competitor hole pattern. Once attached, adjust the plate horizontally or vertically to achieve the desired location as outlined in the instructions. Then tighten down the screws. Lastly, attach your closer body to the FlexPlate and proceed with the next step of installation. Thanks for watching.